Hello, hi, welcome back to the channel. I am Marissa. I'm a 20-something living abroad, currently in Australia, and I've not vlogged in a minute, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm starting the vlog off today at this popular cafe that I really like. Well, I don't know if it's popular, but I have a lot to do. Not really a lot to do, but like, I really want to get my life together. It's a new month. It's August 4th, I think, and I really want to start the month off strong. So much has been going on, honestly, that I have to give like a life update and everything. But yeah, for now, like, I cut my hair, like got a whole new haircut, and I had a job, and then I have a different job, and then I'm probably gonna get a different job, and what we're gonna do after Australia. There's just so many things. But right now we're just gonna go to this cafe and be productive, and I feel like I'm constantly trying to get my life together. I don't know if that's a thing, just because I'm not where I want to be. I guess that's like when you want to get your life together, because you just are not where you want to be, and you have so many other things that you want to do, and so you're kind of in the middle. Like, I'm not quite where I want to be, but I'm definitely farther than where I was before. And so yeah, anyway, I can't talk that long because it's hot in here, but let's just go to this cafe. It's so hot. My absolute favorite coffee shop here. Perfect color.
What the dog doing?
Hello, I ended up getting Subway because I start my trial shift today. I have a trial shift, and I am sorry. I have a trial shift today, and yeah, I need something quick and easy, and so Subway it is. And am I excited about the trial shift? Not really. I need to like reframe my mindset, like be open-minded and all that stuff. But I'm gonna eat this quickly. I'm so over Australia. So over this. I'm ready to leave. But yeah, I'm gonna scarf this down. The trial shift's at like a dessert shop, so it's a little bit different than like cafe work. Cafes, while they're cool, like the getting up early part is not my jam, it seems. So maybe if I do something a little bit later, then maybe. But either way, I still am ready to go. I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to like get out of here. And I know it's like, I have so many thoughts. Like, I know when I leave here, I'm gonna have so many thoughts about my experience here. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat this before my trial shift starts. See ya. I didn't end the vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching. The magnetic island trip was amazing. The water was beautiful, even though it was really cold, but it was still a great Saturday. And then Sunday we just chilled. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.